Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at average pool 3D in TensorFlow. And if we go into the docs, this is the documentation for that. It will come up shortly. This is and as you can see, the the input arguments are almost identical to what we have been seeing in the other 1D, 2D cases. So let's get started here. First, I've created a tensor. And the shape of the tensor, as you can see, this is a 1 by 2 by 3 by 4 by 2. So this is the 1 is for batch, 2 is for depth, then we have 3 for the height, that is the number of rows, 4 for the number of columns, and that is width, and then we have 2 for channels. So we have uh, this data set, and as you can see, this is written right here as well. Based on this, we then have to give the shape for the kernel, and again for kernel size, we are using a 2 by 2 by 2 kernel, and so to account for the batch and channels, we are adding a 1 before and after, as you can see. And strides, this time we have 5 integer values, all of them are 1. Now when we run this, the output shape that we get is 1 by 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. And the way this computation would work is here when we are trying to take an average of 2 by 2. So this 2 is along the depth, 2 along the height, and then 2 along the width. So the numbers that we can combine would be these. So you have 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2. So let's start adding these up down here. 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus, then we have these numbers 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Let's do that. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2, and all of this is divided by 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So we divide all of this by 8 because we have 8 numbers right here. We have these are 4, and then we have these which are 4. Now when we run this, we get 1.875. That is the number that we have right here. And so this is how we can implement average pool 3D in TensorFlow. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.